Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whenever and wherever you're watching this video from. In part one of this video, we looked at paper one, mathematics paper one, where we covered the topics that you need to prioritize as you be preparing for your exams. In the second part of the video, we looked at part two of mathematics paper 2. In part 2 of the video, mathematics paper 2, topics that you should focus on, topics that you should know by now, okay, as you prepare for the exam. Now, in this video, we're going to look at time management. How can you manage time? Okay, intelligence without time management is as good as nothing. Let me repeat that. Intelligence without time management is as good as nothing. You can know all these topics here, okay? You can familiarize yourself with these topics. But if you don't know, if you're not a good manager of time, then you're as good as nothing, as somebody who just doesn't know these topics. Why? Because there is time. There is time for everything here. Mathematics paper 1, you're given time. Mathematics paper 2 also has what? Time in which you need to answer these questions in the final exam. Because they cannot give you the whole day answering this question, this paper. No. Okay? Now, under time management, what you should need to know, and my secret and what we share with people is that, number one, do not spend more minutes or more time on a question than the number of allocated marks. What do I mean? Listen, this is what I mean. If a question like algebra, okay, let me use indices. If a question is 4 marks, for you to maximize time, you should spend less than 4 minutes answering that question. Are we together? Spend less than 4 minutes answering that question. Ooh, wow. Meaning, if it's 3 marks, spend less than 3 minutes answering that question. That's how you can maximize what? That's how you can maximize time. Okay? Don't be too sluggish, okay, in answering questions. Be fast, but be mindful of what you are writing, because you will be making a lot of mistakes. Now, this is what you do. If a question is 2 marks, like let's say you're asked to simplify or to factorize completely 2y squared minus 50. Okay, you know that we're going to apply we're going to apply, this is the difference of 2. First common factor, 2 can go into 50, so 2 out, y squared 2 into 50, 25. You know this. Then inside here the difference of 2 squares. This one is y squared, can be also be written, this one can also be written as 5 squared. So the final answer will be 2 open bracket y plus 5, then here y minus 5. How many seconds have I spent answering this question? Less than a minute, and it's 2 marks. So meaning you are saving time for other questions here. Even that time that you start now thinking, okay, how can I answer this one? Okay, you've already saved. So it's about saving time when it comes to mathematics questions. Okay, don't just solve questions anyhow. You can be smiling, answering a question, meanwhile it's under probability, just 1 mark, and you're spending 10 minutes. Ha! You're not doing anything. Okay, just count yourself out of the living. What I mean is, those who want to get a distinction, okay, a distinction, please, and I say, and again I say, please, make sure answer according to the what? Very good, the marks, number of marks given, and be quick, be as quick as possible. All right, same as in paper 2. If it's trigonometry, you know that it's 12 marks. Spend less than 12 minutes answering that question. Now, if you know that graph questions are a little bit challenging, Make sure you save enough time in section A here. Like Matthew says, 4 minutes, solve within 4 minutes. Before that, if it's possible, in 2 minutes, solve. Set solve within 5 minutes. You at the end of this, you would have what? You would have saved. Okay? Let's say 20 minutes. 20 minutes, you can divide it here when you solving section B, because that's where you what? You spend a lot of what? A lot of time, because it is not good, or it wouldn't be fine in the exam. You know the paper is fine. You're even smiling, but they're saying 10 minutes to go, and you are here. You've only answered 2 questions or 3 questions because you are slow. Okay? You're not doing yourself a favor. You're not doing yourself a favor. It's high time you started preparing, or you started practicing. Are we together? You started practicing now, before it's what? Before it's too late. Start preparing. Because number 1, that is time management. That's how you can manage time. Then number 2, do not be afraid. Do you know what brings fear? Lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge. Sometimes you may be afraid. Yes, sometimes you may be afraid. Meanwhile, you know you have knowledge. Now, what brings fear? Lack of truth. Oh, wow, how? You shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. If you are not free, just know that you don't know the truth. Okay, that's deep. No, it's not. Look at this. If you know sets, you'll be confident when going to write an exam. If you know very well, you've answered a lot of questions. Okay? So be confident. Be confident. What brings fear anywhere, or wherever you go, or in any study or any subject, is lack of truth. Okay? Lack of knowledge. You don't know a lot about what you're doing, or you don't know what to do. If you want to see someone who is afraid, is someone who doesn't know what to do. Confidence, knowledge brings confidence in people. Are we together? Good. So know this. Don't perish because you lack knowledge. Are we together? I am a friend, Chiwe, from Nostec Academy. Thank you so much. If you've enjoyed this, the next video we'll also look at other subjects, how you can maximize time in other subjects. Okay, but this one was focused on only mathematics. Okay, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and also like the video. We are one family. Thank you so much.